Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to increase cursor size in Windows 11 PC. For this, first click on this one Start button, then click on this one Settings. Under Windows 11 Settings, scroll down to the left sidebar and click on this one Accessibility. On the right, scroll down to the bottom and click on this one Mouse. Again, scroll down to the bottom on the right sidebar and under related settings, click on this one mouse pointer option. Under mouse pointer section, you will see size slider. Use this one to increase the mouse pointer or cursor size on your Windows 11 PC.